Guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Lemon app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go above this sign here, click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on push notifications. Then you come to next here, come here to new posts from creators you follow. Just click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That's mean here new posts from creators you follow. Enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.